bought 47 online courses, and this is the only one that worked for me. Let me explain. I want to show you how this course, Video Ranking Academy, helped me go from 0 views to over 3.9 million views on our YouTube channel today. I'm also going to show you how it's possible for you to get the same results that I've got. The Video Ranking Academy course is the best way for you to fast track your journey to learn the ins and outs of how YouTube works. If you've watched any of Sean Cannell's videos on his YouTube channel and you enjoy his teaching style, then this course is going to be perfect for you in order to master YouTube and start growing your YouTube channel. In the course, Sean Cannell will show you the step-by-step process that you need to go through in order to start getting more views on your videos. And the best part about the course is he inspires you and motivates you to take action in spite of your fear. Inside the course, you'll also get access to the amazing community. You'll be able to surround yourself with other video creators who are also working to grow their YouTube channel. This community support and being able to chat to people who are doing what you are doing. The big thing is they help you stay accountable to your goals and the standards that you want to set for your videos. The course focuses on teaching you how to create evergreen videos that get you views while you sleep. The course works because the fundamental thing that Sean Cannell teaches is how to rank videos in YouTube search. This works because it helps you reduce the competition and gives you a better chance to rank for specific keywords inside of YouTube and get consistent views. If you can consistently get 10, 20, 50, or even 100 views a day per video that you create, your channel will grow quicker than you think. Sean does this by teaching a set framework that you can follow to create every single video. You'll reverse engineer the entire process, and he breaks it down simply so that you can understand the core concepts of what makes videos work on YouTube. If you're getting excited as I am and you want to find out more about Video Ranking Academy, I'll leave a link for you in the description down below. Let me show you what the course looks like inside. Module 1 is getting started, why right now is the best time to start on YouTube, and how to 10x your results with Video Ranking Academy. Module 2, he teaches you the 7 R's framework, and this is the most powerful part of the course. It helps you get clarity on your goals. He explains the 7R system and how you can use it to get more views. He talks you through the ASQ strategy, teaches you the 50-50 rule, and helps you understand your YouTube analytics. In Module 3, he goes over the 10 commandments for YouTube. In Module 4, he shows you the best way to start making money on YouTube, and this is my favorite part that I told you about. In Module 5, he shows you the 3 essentials to succeed on YouTube by building your influence and explains the top ways to make money on YouTube. Module 6 is all about taking action. You can't make any progress if you don't start taking action on what we're learning inside the course. And Module 7 is all about mastery, taking it to the next level. If you have any questions or queries about Video Ranking Academy, please let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. So stop putting off your YouTube success. Take action today. Head down, click on the link, and get started with your YouTube journey.